Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding three ticker symbol again. The first one is Zela, the second one would be AMC, and the third one will be MMAT. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want, you can always join the community here. By clicking the join button, you have to pay a monthly fee, $3 per month, and you will have member specific content. You will see during the day I talk about support, resistance, overall trend, some trade ideas. So if you want to get daily trade ideas, then definitely you can give a try. If you like, you can keep it. If you don't like it, you can always cancel it. But anyway, so I want to talk about three things, and Zela is the one I have been covering almost every day for last few days because we have been making money. We are making swing trade on Zela, and this particular stock is treating us really well because this thing goes up then comes down. And I talked in my last video, even today you see it came down 7.8%, but in the morning it went up. It went to 5.29, then it came down around $4 area. But this is a very good one. Why I'm saying, you can see a very good swing trade opportunity. It goes up in the morning then come down, same thing, goes up in the morning, comes down. So a good one for swing trading. At the same time, it has a very high short interest. It is always a good candidate for a short squeeze because the short interest is over 30%. Anyway, so let's talk about this. And if you haven't watched my last night video, you know about it because I talked about Zela, I talked about the pattern, I had the support resistance. I talked about if it can break this line, it can go to around 5.25, and exactly same thing happened. It touched the 5.25 area this morning, then it came down. I also talked about it is way too extended because if you look at the daily chart, the RSI is here, and I said that it is time to come down because you see here last time RSI on a daily level went to 75, came down, next time again went to 76, came down, and again yesterday it was 77. So it is okay to come down, but the thing is, as long the overall trend is going up, this is good. Yes, you will see some red and green days, but end of the day the overall trend is going higher. The overall thing is good because it has been going higher and higher, and during the day intraday you can make a swing trade. But if it is still holding at from 1.96 or $2 or $3, is still you are in profit because you see it is at $4. So I'm expecting a bounce back. Look at the MACD. The current MACD is currently here. So from a daily, I'm moving to an hourly chart now, and let's see what we can see from the hourly chart. I also opened the pre-market and after hour. Maybe I'll just close so I can show you the daily ones. So yeah, this is the thing, right? So we tried this area today. So let's draw a line, the top around 5.4, this area. So this is the thing we have to break if we really want to go. Otherwise, the blue line, this is the line I'm looking at because we will come here and hopefully we will bounce back from here. And before I talk about other support and resistance, let's look at the volume today. So the average volume is 155 million and today's volume was 294 million. And if I correctly remember, yesterday's volume was even higher. So if you look at the volume bar, yesterday's volume was close to 500 million and today it has less volume, close to 300 million, but still you see the volume is picking up, right? Even though the volume is less today, we have to see what's the volume tomorrow. If less volume, it might come down. If more volume comes in, it will go higher again. And why volume is important? Look at the price for today. So more volume in the morning, higher price, and as the time progressed, the volume is dying. At the same time, the price is coming down and down. So what's the important level? Definitely 5.4 is the top. This is the top. And what else? I think this is another important level. I think right now we are sitting at this area, which is around roughly $4, or you can say 3.9, because it was rejected here and now we came back and we have to retest the $4 area. If 4 is intact, I think this thing will bounce back again. Otherwise, if 4 is broken, this thing can come down. And how far it can come down? Just looking at some lines here, I think 3.14 is one area, because you see 3.1 is one area here. At the same time, instead of 3.1, I might say this area as well, around 3.5. You see some kind of support and some kind of support. So maybe 3.5, 3.1, and previously I talked about 2.6, this area, because you see 2.6 was the resistance before, then it became a support. So if it comes down, these are the bottom lines. And do not forget, this thing is really volatile. It goes all the way to $3, it comes down to 1.5, the next move up it goes to 4, and again it comes down. And one important thing, see how it is moving. It goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. So if the trend will continue, hopefully we will just have another bounce, we will go up, who knows, we can go even higher, then we can have another pullback and go higher. But it's not necessary that it will go just go up and up, but I'm just showing you the previous pattern. You see it goes up and down, up and down. Now this is the time if it really needs to continue the trend, because this is the blue line and currently it is sitting on the blue line, the $4 area. So if it can bounce from $4 area, I think it will push towards the next leg up. On the other hand, if the volume is dying, it might come down. So it has been making a good amount of money. So again, you need to see how it will play tomorrow, but this is the chart is looking like. And if you want to deep buy, then these are the areas you need to know. You can always set some limit buy order and you can buy more. The next one is AMC, and we have been talking about AMC, and today it broke through some important areas, 35 area, 33, very important key areas. It is down by 15%, and it is predictable because there where's the important level, and those levels were broke today. So AMC had some bounce from the 42 area. You can see one bounce, two bounce, three bounce. Once 42 is broken, the next support was around 38, because you can see whenever it came to 38, it was bought, it was bought, it was bought, but this time it hovered. It was moving around 38, then it broke to 38, then came down, and the next part is 33.4, 33.5, this area. Why? You see a gap here, right? So it just came down. When this support was broken 38, it came down all the way to 33 area. Now this is sitting here. What's next? If somehow 33 is broken, it can come down all the way to 28, or if more, it will come around 25.3. I'm not saying it will come to 28 or 25, but I'm showing you the levels so you know when to buy. In my last videos, I was talking about the 38 support, because whenever it came to 38, it was bought. Same thing. If you think you are an ape and you want to hold and your average is around 30, 40 or something, there is opportunity to average down. You can always buy at 28, 25. I think it will not come below 25, but we will see. We need more volume. Because you see it has been coming down slowly, and now the rate has accelerated, so there could be more downward pressure. So that is why you need to know the 28 and 25 support. And don't forget this area, because when last time when it was around 30 area, then the very next day from 30 it went all the way to 70, and a lot of volume came. So these people were green for so many days, now they are experiencing red. So if they are selling at the same time more short seller appear, this thing can come down. But again, apes are holding, and if you want to buy at a reduced price, buy more and hold. The entire thing for AMC is buy and hold. That's the power of AMC. Okay, the next thing is MMAT. Yesterday I talked about MMAT. Let me show you. Sorry, that was another video of MMAT, and I talked that it has found a bottom. It has found a bottom after so many red days, and yesterday was green day, and today was also a green day, and it was up 7%. It was up 7%. Even after hour it is up 2%. And in my community board during the day for day traders, I talked about let's see, sorry, I talked about where is it? So many posts. Let me see. This is for Apple, QQQ, MMAT. Yeah, so this is the thing, because when it came around this area, I said this is the floor. Then I also talked about once 4.2 will be broken, it will run towards 4.9. And if you want, just showing you what can happen. So yeah, that was the post. So they broke 4.2, they will run towards 4.9, they went all the way to 4.6, and day traders, they have taken their profit. Anyway, it's not necessary that whatever I tell you is the important thing, but the good thing is back to back 2 green days. And why it is so important? The important thing is, look at the volume here, look at the yellow bars here, back to back 3 days, more and more volume. So seems like more volumes are coming back for MMAT, and during end of the day you see more volume came and the price is going higher and higher. So it is very exciting what will happen. Do not forget that there is an event for MMAT, because on July 15th, which is tomorrow, there will be a presentation by the CEO. So it will be on July 15th, 2 p.m. Standard Time, and I will be broadcasting the event live from my channel. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe so that you can see the event. And maybe tomorrow morning, MMAT will have a run in anticipation of any news prior to the conference. People love to hype before any conference or any event. So anyway, so let's look at the chart now. First of all, you see it went up all the way. So last day was the day it was undecided. You see a very small body, but today it showed some strength, showing that okay, we found the bottom. So what's the bottom? The bottom is around 3.5. The bottom is 3.5. So it was the bottom yesterday. Today it also came around 3.6 area, then it went up. So the next thing is, I think it will go towards 4.9. Once 4.9 is broken, you see there is no place other than 6.67. so it will run hard, because it came down so fast. So now there are lots of gaps. You will see that 4.9, then it will go to 6.67, and again maybe it will go towards $8, then 9.5 and more. I'm not saying it will go back to 10, 20. So definitely, I know many of you are holding a lot of shares, you are a bag holder, and in my last video I talked about selling covered calls so that you make money while you are holding your shares. So it's an extra passive income. If you do not know what is covered call, please watch my last video on MMAT. I talked about how you can make extra income while you are holding your MMAT share. But again, very, very exciting. Now look at the hourly chart for MMAT. So yeah, you see almost a double bottom. It came to here, then again it went up, came down, and again it is trying to push. But the good thing is that it ended the day over 4.16. It came and bounced up that 4.16. It wants to go higher, and if you look, aftermarket was the aftermarket 4.36. really nice, 4.36. it will go towards 4.9 or 5 area, and if 5 is broken, I think this will have a run up. And again, many people are anticipating short squeeze. So many things I'm not touching there, but I'm just showing you the chart, and I think it has found a bottom. Hopefully it will go up, and people are also anticipating a lot of things. I'm not making any hype. The only thing is there is a conference tomorrow, and I will be broadcasting that live. Anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and finally, you can always join the community. Just pay a little amount of money and you can always get the member specific benefit. Anyway, thank you very much. Oh, by the way, that was Apple. We called Apple when it was 137. Now Apple is around 149, 150 area. So a lot of profit. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.